Hello, Cryptic Gamer here with Minecraft Homeschool, and I'm going to be showing you how to install and configure Teamspeak. So, to install Teamspeak, it should be right here, underneath the tutorial that you're watching right now. Click on that, and select the operating system that you are currently using. So in my case, this would be Windows. Go and agree to all this legal stuff. You can just skip the survey, no thanks, take me to the download. And then wait for it to download. As it says here, if it does not start, you can click on this to force it to start. Once it comes up, hit save. And we'll wait for it to download here. Okay, so now that it is downloaded, you want to go and click on Open Folder. Now if it didn't come out that way, you need to go and find where you downloaded it to, which is usually in your downloads folder unless you specified otherwise. But once you do find it, you should see this Teamspeak client Win32 with the current version as an application. You want to run that. Allow it to run if it asks, so give it admin rights to install. And then you've got a little install wizard here, so just next, I agree, either one of those, whatever your preference. This is where it's going to install to. Just leave it in recommended. Overwolf would be, as it says here, an in-game Teamspeak overlay. What this basically means is it will put a small overlay within your game, so in this case Minecraft, and I believe it will basically just tell you who is currently talking. It is entirely unnecessary, and I personally don't use it. But if you would like to install this overlay, you just click it right there. Well, I'm going to leave it off. So then next, this here is just the start menu folder, so just leave that as the default, and then let it install. And then you can click finish, and I'll let it just run the Teamspeak client so I can show you around. Okay, so welcome to Teamspeak. So we're going to need to choose our nickname, do the microphone settings, test the microphone, mess with key bindings if we so choose, and then the sound pack, which is completely unimportant. So now we choose a nickname. This should be your in-game name, so Cryptic Gamer. This can be changed at any point, so it's not a big deal, but for Minecraft Homeschool we ask that you use your in-game name as your Teamspeak nickname. And then you want to choose push to talk, and then select a hotkey. I'm going to use tilde, which is the button to the left of the one key above tab. So what this will do is your microphone will not be active unless you are holding in this key, and that helps prevent feedback and makes Teamspeak an overall more enjoyable experience for all involved. Now we can do a microphone test here, so just hold the button. And it's going to give you some feedback here because I'm recording. Just test it, make sure it works. You can mess with the slider. Well, you're supposed to mess with the slider. It should work. If it's not, check your microphone, make sure it's plugged in and working. Once you do this, you can bind a speaker mute button. So this would mute your speakers, not your mic, just your speakers. I'm going to leave that blank, but you can just click it and choose a hotkey. Then you have the voice pack.
Channel switch.
This is just what it's going to say when you're in game.
User entered your channel.
User left your channel.
So just pick whichever you prefer. And here you are done. This should... you don't want that. So let's just uncheck all those and hit finish. So now you have your Teamspeak configured. You now have to connect to the Minecraft Homeschool servers. So to do that, you go to connections and hit connect. And you need to put in the server address, which would be back at that Moodle page. There. So the Teamspeak IP, which would go here, and the Teamspeak password, which goes here. And there is where you can change your nickname, should you so choose. So I'm going to go and put these in, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we are now on the Minecraft Homeschool server, Teamspeak server that is. So we come out here in the lobby, and you want to come down to your classes section here, and find the class that you are currently taking. All of the classes that are currently being run by Minecraft Homeschool will have a corresponding Teamspeak channel. So for example, if you're taking 7 Wonders Advanced, you just come down and find that channel, right click and hit switch to channel.
Channel switched.
Or you can just double left click, like so. You have your 7 Wonders Advanced chat right here, the second one. Just regular type chat. And now if you ever have to reconfigure your push to talk, you go to settings, options, and then capture, and it's right here with your hotkey button there. Once you change it, just hit apply and OK, and you should be good to go. So that would be Teamspeak. If you ever have any issues on Teamspeak, please contact us here at info@minecrafthomeschool.com, and just let us know what the problem is, and we will get to it as quickly as we can. Thank you.